Hey guys, LeetCode challenge. Pause this video and let's see if you can solve this question. So I'm going to read out the question.
Now we have a source, we have a target. We want to take the least amount of bus to go from source to target. In this case, to go from 1 to 6, we take 2 buses. So the first case is if source is target, then we just return 0 because we're already at destination, so we don't need to do anything. Otherwise, we will construct a graph. So the graph construction will look like something like this. So go for bus, route in enumerate routes, and for stop in route, we go graph stop.add bus set. We're going to use this to keep track of which route and which stops we've already visited. Then I'll initialize a queue, so queue, and we will have the source to begin with, and a variable n buses to keep track of how many buses we've taken so far. Now while queue, since we're going to be processing each route, meaning each bus route, we can increase our n buses by 1, and then we can go for I in range length of queue. We can go stop is queue.top left, and now for bus in graph stop. Now if bus in route visited, we go continue, but we've already visited this route, so we don't need to visit it again. Otherwise, we can add route visited dot add bus. I think that should be it. And we also need to remember that if next stop equals target, then we can return n buses. If we don't find a solution, then we just return -1. Okay, so let's run this, see how if it works. Okay, perfect, everything works. Let's submit the code. Alright, just waiting for the acceptance. Alright, so as you can see, the code is submitted. It's pretty efficient. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this challenge.